Breaking inputs now coming in from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has directed the RBI that banks be permitted to release sanctioned loans to the home buyers, notwithstanding their account being considered as a non-performing asset. This is something that would come in as a huge relief to home buyers in this difficult time where several who have taken this loan are even out of job right now. So the Supreme Court here says that the RBI should go ahead and have banks to release the sanctioned loans to the home buyers, notwithstanding their account being considered as a non-performing asset. Our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Bhanja getting us those inputs here. Meenakshi, do we have better clarity on how this is going to work on ground? What exactly the banks would be instructed? We still need to hear from the RBI on that.
Well, Sahir, it is an order of the Supreme Court which will go a long way in alleviating these pending projects which have been pending because of paucity of funds. And that is why it's being seen in the context of how this can be a major relief, especially to builders and in the real estate sector, with the Supreme Court saying that the Noida Authority cannot charge exorbitant rate of interest from builders for delay in payment. And it has also said that the rate of interest cannot be more than 8%. That apart, the Supreme Court has directed the banks and financial institutions to restructure the loan given to Amrapali home buyers and release the rest of the amount which has not been released so far, and the amount can be used to complete the construction. Now, interestingly, there we also had an opportunity to speak with Mr. Lahoti, who has been representing the interest of the home buyers for long in the Supreme Court. He was of the opinion that this decision will generate substantial funds and expedite the completion of projects by the NBCC. So yes, it is being seen in that context as to how it could bring in a lot of additional funds.
All right, so this is not just going as a relief to home buyers, but also in helping completing stalled projects there as well, as Meenakshi explained to us. Thank you for those inputs. The latest here that's coming in from